All you need is a bay leaf to solve this problem. Start by taking a few bay leaves and grinding them thoroughly in a mortar. Bay leaves are well known for their many valuable properties. Not only are they a popular kitchen spice, but they also have a wide range of uses in natural medicine. Transfer the ground leaves into a small pot and boil them for 10 minutes. Strain the resulting liquid through a sieve into a bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a natural ingredient with antifungal and antibacterial properties. Take the boiled leaves and place them in a small, sealable container. Add about 50 milliliters of olive oil to the container. The olive oil in this mixture provides nourishing benefits. Soak all your fingers in the bay leaf and vinegar mixture for 5 minutes. After the soak, use the prepared bay leaf oil. Apply a small amount to the affected nail and gently massage it in. This mixture penetrates deeply into the nail's structure, effectively helping to combat fungal infections. Your nails will regain a healthy appearance, and the skin around them will be nourished and free from irritation. Apply toothpaste on your nails. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the effect. It's a method for healthy and strong nails, both on your hands and feet. Toothpaste will brighten the nail plate and remove discoloration from nail polish. But that's not all. Mix the toothpaste with another product for an even better effect. Prepare salt and pour 1 tablespoon into a container. Salt contains many trace elements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to the salt. In addition to removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Pour 1 tablespoon of warm coconut oil, you can also use olive oil, into the mixture. The oil will nourish and moisturize the nails and the skin around the nails. The final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of warm water. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform mass. Welcome to my website. How do you take care of your nails? Let me know which city or country you're watching from. If your nails are in poor condition, apply the mixture daily for a few days. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and eliminate bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the conditioner on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform such treatments regularly. Repeat them after a few days' break. Your nails will become stronger. They won't break easily. Stains, discoloration, and signs of fungal infection will disappear. This is one of those methods that are not expensive, but effective. Good luck. Place bay leaves on paper. This will change your life. Take a handful of bay leaves. This product has only good properties. Put the crushed leaves into a blender. Then add about 2 tablespoons of cloves. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties, and they also have a strong fragrance. Add 1 more tablespoon of dried lavender to the blender. Next, grind everything into a powder. Transfer the mixture to a bowl or a sealed plastic container. Take a few sheets of toilet paper. Put a small spoonful of the mixture on each sheet. Then roll the paper to make small packets. Tie the ends with a rubber band or string. These packets are a lifesaver if you have pests in your home. You will avoid mosquitoes and other insects. Additionally, the lavender will provide a pleasant scent throughout your home. Leave these small packets in your bathroom and wardrobe. They will protect your clothes from moths. After a few days, replace the packets to ensure continuous protection. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes. Put bay leaves in your sock. That's what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful not only in cooking. If you struggle with joint, foot, or knee pain, they work better than those smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this method to deal with pain. Just turn your sock inside out and put a few bay leaves inside. Then, go to bed. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also provide relief for muscle pain, as well as sprains and strains in the joints. How does it work? The temperature in the sock increases due to contact with the skin. The leaves begin to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people still have no idea about it and unnecessarily spend a fortune on ointments. Place a bay leaf on your hands. This is what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful for more than just cooking. If you struggle with joint pain, pain in your hands or shoulders, this remedy works better than smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this to ease their pains. Simply take a glove and put a few bay leaves inside, then go to sleep. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves help relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also soothe muscle pain and help with sprains and strains. How does it work? The glove creates a higher temperature through contact with the skin, causing the leaves to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people are still unaware of it and waste money on ointments. It's worth trying this method before turning to chemical remedies from the pharmacy. Place a bay leaf inside a lemon. Before I explain why this works, let me show you another trick. If your shoes have an unpleasant odor due to sweat or extended use, bay leaves can be a simple and quick fix. Just place 3 bay leaves in each shoe overnight. Their strong aroma neutralizes bad smells. Now, let's get back to the trick I mentioned at the beginning. Take a fairly large lemon and cut it in half. Depending on the size of the lemon, place 4 or 5 bay leaves inside. This combination not only refreshes your home, but also effectively repels mosquitoes and other insects. The scent of bay leaves and lemon is unpleasant to them. Leave the lemon with the bay leaves in areas where you spend the most time. It's also useful to place this by windows to help prevent insects from coming inside.